Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Anaya. I need you to go and grab your math book and open up to page 171. Again, open up to page 171, and you're going to see some problems that look like these on the screen, okay? So pause this video, open up to page 171. Great job. Now, I want you to repeat after me. What we're going to do is we're going to add and subtract tens. We are going to, I can add three numbers to solve story problems. And the last one, I can use strategies to add and subtract within 20. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started here. Let me move my screen a little bit over. Okay, let's go back up here. Now, I have my whiteboard because I'm going to definitely need to use it today. And the workspace right there in the math book is a little too small for me. So the first problem is 57 plus 20. So we have 57 plus 20. Now, you already have this in your math book, so don't worry about getting your whiteboard. Now, underneath, let's draw 57. Remember, we have tens and ones. I'm going to draw 57. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. And over here, I'm going to draw 20. Tens and ones, I have 2 tens, 0 ones. So now what I'm going to do is count my tens first and then my ones. So I have 50, 51, I'm sorry, 50, 60, 70. I have to count by tens. Let's do it again. 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. 77. 57 plus 20 is 77. Now go ahead and write in the blank box, write 77. Now, you should have drawn your tens and ones right here, like I would have drawn them like this. But if you don't have any room, get your whiteboard just like I do, okay? So if you need that, pause this video and go get your whiteboard if you need to. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's do number 11. Number 11 says 13 plus 60 equals blank. Let's draw our 13. We have 1 10, 3 ones. Over here in 60, we have 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 0 ones. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now by ones, 71, 72, 73. 73 is our total. So now let's write 73 in our math book. Good. Okay, moving on. Our next one is 80. Now these are subtraction. Now be careful. We're going to take away 80. Take away 40. Let's draw 80 now. Let's draw this 80. So we have 10 or 8 tens, 0 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. But if I'm taking away 40, am I going to draw more 40s? No. I'm not going to draw 40, right? I'm going to take them away. So let's take away 40. So I'm going to take away 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh, how many tens are left? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 are left. So let's write 40 right there, boys and girls. Good job. Let's go on to our next one. We have 70. Take away 50. Let's draw 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we're going to take away 50, right? So let's take away 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many tens are we left with? 2 of them, which is a total of what? 20. 10, 20. Good. So 70 minus 50 equals 20. Okay, let's go on to our next one. Our next one says 80. Now this is a missing add-in plus blank equals 100. Now here's what we're going to do. We are going to draw tens until we get to 100. So we're going to be counting on, but instead of drawing little dots, we're going to draw tens, okay? Because these are by tens. So start with 80, 80, 90, 100, freeze. How many tens do I have here? 2 of them. Count by tens, 10, 20. So I have 20. 20 was my missing add-in. So I'm going to put 20 in the box. Good job. Let's erase our whiteboard. Our next one, 90. Take away blank equals 70. Now, boys and girls, what we're going to do is draw 90, but we don't know how many to take away, right? But we do know we're left with 70. So let's see, what can we do? Think. I think it's still a very good strategy if we draw 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90, if I take some of them away, I'm left with 70. So if I see what I'm left with 70. I'm left with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So here's 70. I'm left with 70. So how many did I take away? Oh, there it is. How many did I take away? 11? No. Those are by tens, right? 10, 20. Oh, I took away 20. Great job. So let's write 20 in the blank box right there. Okay, now let's go on to our next one, boys and girls. Okay, let's look at this one. Right here it says, there are 9 red crayons. So I know I have 9, circle 9. I have 3 green ones, 3 green crayons, and how many blues? 7 blue in the box. How many crayons are in the box? So I need to figure out how many crayons are in this box total. Well, let's check out our work. We know we had 9 red ones. We had 3 green ones, and we have 7 blue ones, but we still don't know how many we have in all. Let's see. Can we make a rainbow, a rainbow of 10? Are there 2 add-ins here that make 10? Think. 9 and 3, let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12. No. 9 and 7. No, that would surely go past 10. What about 3 and 7? Oh, 3 and 7 make 10. I hear some of you saying that. So let's make our rainbow here. 3 and 7 make 10. Now 10 plus 9 more is what? 19. Good job. 10 and count 9 dots, right? We could have drawn 9 dots here. Let me draw them really quick. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We got 19. Let's circle our answer. 19. Good job. Okay, let's go down to the next one. The next one's number 17. It says, there are 14 birds in the tree. Chirp, chirp. Some birds fly away, but do we know how many of those birds fly away? No, but we do know we have 14. Some of them flew away. Now there are 6 birds left. So we know there's 6 left. How many birds fly away? We need to figure out, well, if some birds fly away, that means they're leaving. So I know it's going to be subtraction. I could also do a math mountain to figure this out. I had 14. Some flew away, and I'm left with 6. Now, how do I figure out this missing partner here? Well, I could put 14 in my head and count back, right? But do I know how many to count back with? No. Oh, but what I could do is go 14. I had 14. I know that some flew away, but I could put the sum over here. And I know I have 6 birds left. So I could do this. 14 take away 6. So I could do this side, right? 14 over here. Do you guys see that? Let me put it in red. I could do this side. 14 take away 6. Let's do it. So 14 take away 6. I'm going to draw 6 dots here. We're going to count backwards. Okay, we're going to count backwards and then see how many birds flew away. 14. Tap 14, say 14. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8. So we had our missing partner was 8. Circle it. 8. Very good. So 8 birds flew away. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now this is on the back of that page. So turn your page to 172 in the back. Very good. Let me read this one for us. It says, there are 12 boys. So we know we have 12 boys and girls on the bus. So how many girls? Well, there are 12 boys and girls on the bus. But we know that there is a total of 12 kids. There are 12 boys and girls. So it's and girls. So we don't know. We know there's 12 kids, but some of them are boys. Let me fix this here. But we know some of them are boys and some of them are girls, right? So some of them are boys, some of them are girls. How many boys and girls can there be? Choose all the possible answers. Oh, it says choose all the possible. So that means there might be more than one right answer. Well, let's take a look at each one of these. This one says 2 boys and 14 girls. Well, would that make, we need to get to a total of 12. But will this make a total of 12? 14 and 2? Well, I could already tell the 14 is above the 12. So no, this one will not work because I already went past the 12 kids on the bus. I know I have a total of 12 kids on the bus, right? This 14 already went past it. Let's look at this next one. This next one says 2 boys and 10 could be girls. Well, what's 2 plus 10? Tap ourselves with 10, 2 fingers up. 10, 11, 12. Ah, this one does equal 12. So you know what? This is one of the possible ways. This one says 3 boys and 9 girls. Well, if I have 3 boys and 9 girls, how much does that make? Let's tap ourselves with, let's put 3 plus 9 over here. Let's tap ourselves with 9 and count on the 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, so that one also gets us to 12. That's another possible option we have. Now let's see this one. 4 boys and 6 girls. I have 4 boys and 6 girls. 4 plus 6. Oh, I remember that. That's a partner of 10. So that's not 12. Those are partners of 10. So you know what? This is not a possibility. Well, what about 5 boys and 7 girls? Well, let's put it right here. 5 boys plus 7 girls. Let's see. Let's tap 7 and count on with 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, there's another possible one. 12. That makes 12. So bubble that one in. Man, boys and girls, there weren't 2 right answers. There were 3 right answers here. So make sure we bubbled in 3. So in case you see one of these on the test, guess what? Sometimes it's more than one right answer, and that's okay if you bubble all of those in. Okay, let's look at this last one. The directions say, draw 20 to 30 more triangles. Ring 10 groups, count by 10s and 1s. Write the numbers. All right, so what I want us to do here is I want us to draw some more triangles, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to pause this video and I'm going to draw some more, but I want you to draw me about, I want you to draw 22 triangles. Okay, so I want you to draw 22 triangles. Can you draw 22? Pause your video, come back. I'm going to draw my triangles, 22, and you draw yours very neatly. Okay, pause the video. Go draw yours. All right, boys and girls, did you draw 22 triangles? I know I did. Now, what I want us to do is I want you to draw a circle around the 22 you drew. So I'm going to circle them by 10s because that's what they told me. So here's a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my other group of 10 that makes 20, and there's 22. I'm not going to circle the 2 because that is by 1s, okay? Now let's come over here to these triangles and count groups of 10. So here's 10. Here's another group of 10. Can you circle them with me? So 10, 10. Here's another group of 10. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, oop, here's another group of 10. And this is 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no, that's not. Now, what we're going to do is figure out the number of triangles by counting by tens first and then by ones. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. 68. Very good. Now, boys and girls, they are asking us 10, what is 10 less than 68? Well, let me bring out my hundredths chart, okay? Okay, as you can see right here on the side, I brought out my hundredths chart. Now, let's find where 68 is. Here's 68. Now, if it's 10 less, we go what? Where do we go? We go up. So here is 10 less. What is 10 less? 58. Write that down. Good job. And then it says 10 more. What's 10 more? We just go down. What's 10 more? 78. Great job. Boys and girls, I am so proud of you. You did all your math pages today. Great job. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.